today we discussed theorem 8.6. It is a very important theorem. And the statement is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. The statement is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So it is the statement as given. So now prove the theorem. First one, given statement given. So here two similar triangles are given. So the two triangles are similar. Then two triangles means triangle ABC and another triangle is DEF. Then two triangles are similar. So area of triangle ABC is similar to area of triangle DEF. So first two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is a given statement. Next, to prove. So to prove means the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So area of the two similar triangles means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of the to their corresponding sides. So what are the corresponding sides? AB and D are corresponding sides. BC and EF are corresponding sides. AC and DF are corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides are equal. The corresponding sides are proportional. So that means AB by DE and BC by EF and AC by DF. So the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So the square of their, so that means AB square by DE square is equal to next BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So that means AB square by DE square equal to next BC square by EF square equal to AC square by EF square, AC square by DF square. These are two proofs. Next construction. Connection. So draw AL. So AL is perpendicular to BC and draw DM. Next DM is perpendicular to EF. Draw AL perpendicular to BC and DM is perpendicular to EF. DM is perpendicular to EF. Next, proof. First one, take the LHS value, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC is formula is half BH, half base into height. So half into next here area of the triangle ABC, half base here BC, half into base BC into here height is AL by area of the triangle DEF. So area of the triangle DEF. Here area of the triangle formula half into base into height. So half into base is EF, half into base EF into here height is DM. Half is a cancel. BC by EF into and AL by DM. So it is the equation of 1. Next again. Then here two triangles are given. One of the triangle is right angle triangle ALB, and here right angle triangle is DME. In a triangle ALB and a triangle DME. So that two triangles are right angle triangles are similar. So here two properties are there. So one of the properties angles are equal, angle A equal to angle D. Angles are equal, angle A equal to angle D, and angle B equal to angle E, and angle R equal to angle M. So here right angle is 90 degrees. Angles are equal, angle A equal to angle D, angle A equal to angle D. Since given statement given, and angle right angle angles are equal, angle ALB equal to angle DME. So since each 90 degrees, here two angles are equal, then two triangles are similar. So therefore triangle ALB similar to triangle DME. Since angle to angle similarity, angle similarity. So first case is over. First case are angles are equal, and second one is the second one is the sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. So corresponding sides are here AB and BE. Next BC and EF, AC and DF. So corresponding sides are proportional. So corresponding sides means AB by DE equal to AB by DE equal to and AL by DM. So AL by DM equal to AB by DE. Corresponding sides are proportional. AL by DM equal to AL by DM equal to AL by DM equal to AB by DE. AB by DE. And the second one is AL by DM equal to BC by EF. BC by EF. It is equal to 2 from 1. From 1. So equation 1 is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF into and AL by DM. AL by DM. So it is the equation of 1. Next again, it is the same BC by EF into next AL by DML is AL by DML is BC by EF. So now these values substitute BC by EF. BC by EF. So since from 2, so BC into BC, so BC square by EF into EF is EF square. So now you got area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to BC square by EF square. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to BC square by EF square. So now we are taken to AL by DM equal to AB by DE. So here area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to AD square by AB square by D square is got. So similarly area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to AB square by D square, and area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to AC square by DF square. So now we can conclusion. Therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to first one AB square by DB square, AB square by DB square equal to next BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF square. Once again, so statement is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. Where areas of two similar triangles are given. So one is the angle ABC, and the second triangle is DEF. Second triangle is triangle DEF. So the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So corresponding sides are here AB and DE, here BC and EF, and AC and DF are corresponding sides. So the ratio of the squares of the square of their corresponding sides. So that means AB square by DB square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. So here given statement. So the two are similar triangles. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Here proof. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF square. Construction. So draw AL is perpendicular to BC and DM is perpendicular to EF. So first we have to take the LHS. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF is equal to area of triangle ABC is area of the triangle ABC formula half into base into height. So half into here base EF into here height is AL into AL by next area of the triangle DEF. Area of the triangle DF equal to half into next base EF into and the height is DF. So half into EF into DM. Half cancel. BC by EF into AL by DM. It is the equation 1. So then corresponding and right angle triangles are here. Right angle triangles are in the triangle ALB and the triangle DMD. So in the triangle ALB and the triangle DMD, corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angles means angle A equal to angle D, next angle B equal to angle E, angle L equal to angle. So here right angle triangles are equal. Right angle triangles means here angle ALB is equal to angle DEMA. So each angle 90 degrees. So then two triangles are similar triangles. So that means angle ALB is similar to triangle DMA. So first one, their corresponding sides are, second step is the corresponding sides are proportional. So corresponding sides are AL by DM. So AL by DM equal to AB by DE. AB by DE. Next AL by DM equal to BC by EF. Next one AL by DM equal to AC by DF. So AC by DF. Third one. Next from equation 1. Equation 1 is the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to BC by EF dot AL by DM. So AL by DM. So BC by EF is the same. AL by DM value is so AL by DM value is BC by EF value from 2. Equation is substituting. So BC into BC square. EF into EF is EF square. So similarly, same model. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to AB square by DE square and AC square by EF square. So now conclusion. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF equal to AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF square. So thank you.